back to my channel, guys. So today we're gonna be doing the Coca Cola challenge. So we have 4 bottles of Coca Cola, and we're gonna put some ingredients inside there, and we're gonna see what happens. And my last one's my favorite, so make sure to like and subscribe and watch till the end. This will be a fun activity for both you and me. So let's get started. The first ingredient, it is salt. So we're gonna be adding salt to the Coca-Cola and see what happens. And this is regular soda Coca-Cola, the regular bottle, and it's not up there. So let's open this very slowly. I wish I can eat this right. I wish I can drink this right now. We got that open. Now let's put the done salt.
Put a lot.
Now sure a lot, but I need more. Okay, that is over. The salt was not that high tempered. It didn't go that much high and didn't build up that much pressure. It looked like a volcano erupting. So now we're done with this messy Coca-Cola. So now let's see the next mystery ingredient. Let's see it. Baking soda. So it's the same as last time, but we're gonna put baking soda in. So let's open the bottle. Okay. Open it. Now let's pour the Coca-Cola. Let's pour the big bottle. Well, that was a volcano. Well, that was a big volcano. Let's done more. So now we're doing the next mystery ingredient, Mentos, of course. So now let's make it a little wide. Big. Yep. Now, let's do it. Let's do it. Outdoor volcano. One. So this is the final mystery ingredient, and this is my favorite and new. So we have Mentos on a string attached to a bottle cap. We have Mentos attached to a bottle cap with string, and after then we're gonna put it like there, and then do this. So let's open this and you'll see the good surprise. I promise you, this is a video that is worth watching. promise you, this is a video that's worth watching. That was cool. That was cool. So those regular Coca bottles we have were small. Now we got a big strawberry Fanta, and we're gonna add baking soda to it. I promise you, this is gonna be worth watching. So let's open this very slightly. Now let's add the baking powder.
Move it.
That was short, Rick. That was a mad volcano. That was a bad volcano. Finally, there's a good sight to see. Now I have baking powder. Oh, what's that? Baking soda. This finally worked. I'm finally gonna see a pretty good sight. So, this was super fun, and it must have been for you. So I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it, which I pretty much did. So you should. So make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for and watch all of my videos. So bye bye.